Bush paint. Fish come, fish come.
There's a buck right behind her. Whatever you want. Wait for the buck.
Get the buck, get the buck. Too thick right there. He's coming, he's coming. They're coming down the creek. They're coming down the creek. I gotta keep you to your side. Get the buck, he comes around on the boat.
Meh. He's hit. Did you get the doe? Awesome.
No, I got her.
Doe's down. The buck's over here.
Okay.
The doe's in the water. The buck's hit hard, but he was quartering towards us, so it went through the shoulder, came out the back of the lung on the other side.
We're here hunting today on Veterans Day here in Kentucky with Jeremy England. Had a buck down here running a doe that had already been shot by a previous hunter. Shot him with the 44 at about 25 yards. Perfect broadside shot. And here we go, bag straps for dinner.